What if I told you, your binoculars might be blurring critical details with poor clarity, shaky focus, or dim lighting? We tested 15+ top models in brutal conditions, low light, rain, and long-distance tracking, and the results will shock wildlife and sports enthusiasts. One popular pair failed in low light, while our number 3 delivered razor-sharp, bright images even at dusk. If you want to see every detail nature has to offer, this is the only ranking you need. Starting at number 1. Vortex Triumph HD 10x42 Binoculars. The Vortex Triumph HD binoculars are a full-size binocular with 10x magnification and 42mm objective lenses. They offer excellent image quality, ergonomics, and durability for outdoor activities like hunting or hiking. With an HD optical system and fully multi-coated lenses, these binos provide exceptional resolution, edge-to-edge sharpness, and outstanding color fidelity. The optimized glass elements reduce chromatic aberration and enhance light transmission. The binoculars are also waterproof and fog-proof, thanks to the nitrogen purge design. The polycarbonate chassis with full rubber armor increases shockproofness and provides a better grip. With adjustable rubber eye cups and an adjustable diopter, users can easily find their most comfortable viewing settings. The Triumph binoculars come with a neck strap and an adjustable glass pack harness for convenient carry on outdoor adventures. Number 2. Adasion 12x42mm Binoculars. The Adasion 12x42mm binoculars are perfect for bird watching, hunting, and sports events. With 18mm large eyepieces, 16.5mm prism lenses, and only 1.25 pounds weight, they deliver larger, clearer, and brighter images. The adjustable eye cups make them suitable for glasses wearers. The new phone adapter allows for quick alignment and stable photography, compatible with a range of phone models. With 100% quality control, Adasion provides high-quality binoculars and quick customer service. Number 3. Vortex Optics Crossfire HD 10x42 Binoculars. The Vortex Optics Crossfire HD 10x42 binoculars offer 10x magnification and 42mm objective lenses that provide exceptional resolution, cut chromatic aberration, and outstanding color fidelity. With fully multi-coated lenses, roof prism design, adjustable eye cups, and center focus wheel, these binoculars provide comfortable viewing with or without eyeglasses. They are tripod adaptable, water and fog-proof, and have rugged construction to withstand recoil and impact. Number 4. Occer 12x25 Compact Binoculars. The Occer 12x25 compact binoculars are a great choice for bird watching, outdoor hunting, travel, and sightseeing. Featuring 12x magnification, 25mm objective lens, and a wide field of view, these binoculars provide clear low-light vision and a comfortable viewing experience. The binoculars are made of ABS plastic and come with a cruise binocular strap, making them durable and waterproof. Customers have praised the binoculars for their clarity, sharp image focus, and realistic colors, though some have noted that they may need to be adjusted more often than other binoculars. Number 5. Hontry 10x25 Compact Binoculars. With 10x magnification and 25mm objective lens, Hontry binoculars offer high-definition, non-chromatic aberration, and a viewing field of 362 feet at 1,000 yards. The fully multi-coated optics provide for brighter and sharper images, even in low-light conditions. These binoculars are compact, lightweight, and foldable, making them easy to carry around. The rubber armor ergonomic design and steady grip allow for accurate focusing and shock resistance. They are suitable for bird watching, hunting, hiking, sports events, theaters and concerts, and make great gifts for all ages. So, which binoculars will you trust for your next adventure? Focus in on the comments. If this eye-opening review brought the world closer, zoom that like button, it helps us test more. Want more outdoor gear truths? Subscribe. Next week we're testing spotting scopes. All our top picks are linked below. Happy exploring!